First, carefully remove the heat stroke patient from the heat source and move them to a cool, shaded area to begin immediate cooling and prevent further heat exposure. Next, gently unfold and lay out the CarbonCool System Full Body Suit beside the patient, ensuring it is properly oriented and positioned for smooth and efficient wrapping during application. Once the suit is in place, carefully remove the patient's outer clothing to allow for optimal skin contact with the cooling pads. This step is essential for maximizing the effectiveness of the cooling process. Prepare to proceed with application immediately after clothing removal. Next, begin wrapping the patient with the CarbonCool System Full Body Suit to initiate rapid cooling treatment. It is important to ensure that each section of the suit, starting with the chest, followed by the abdomen and thighs, is applied securely and snugly around the patient's body. A firm, close fit is critical to ensure maximum surface contact between the cooling pads and the skin, which significantly enhances the rate and effectiveness of core temperature reduction. In every emergency, time is critical, and so is preparation.